Welcome to online class of EVS. Children, today we are going to start a new topic in EVS, that is homes of animals. Now tell me children, where do you all live? You all stay in your beautiful and lovely houses, isn't it? Yes. Same way animals also have beautiful and lovely homes. So, today we are going to study about homes of animals.
Homes of animals. A dog lives in a kennel. A lion lives in a den. A bird lives in a nest. A hen lives in a coop. A cow lives in a shed. A pig lives in a sty. A horse lives in a stable. A goat lives in a pen. A rabbit lives in a burrow. And a fish lives in water.
Children, take out your EVS notebooks and open to the first page. On top of the page, outside the red margin, you will write the date. On the first line, you will write the heading Homes of Animals. Underline the heading neatly. And then from the next line, you will start your exercise. Number 1. A dog lives in a kennel. Full stop. Underline kennel. Number 2. A lion lives in a den. Full stop. Underline den. Number 3. A bird lives in a nest. Number 4. A hen lives in a coop. Number 5. A cow lives in a shed. Number 6. A pig lives in a sty. Number 7. A horse lives in a stable. Number 8. A goat lives in a pen. Number 9. A rabbit lives in a burrow. Number 10. A fish lives in water. Children, after writing number 10, on the next line, with the help of scale, you will draw the finishing line. And do your exercise very neatly in your EVS notebooks. I hope all of you must have understood the topic. We will be meeting soon in the next video with another topic. Till then, stay home, stay safe.
Good morning children, welcome to the online class. Today I am going to take up English recitation with you from your Phonorhymes book, and the poem number is 36. So be ready, we'll start. Have your books, you can open to this page and try and follow what I am saying. Now children, if you look at the picture, you can see a postman standing and a small little girl behind the door. Okay, and the name of the poem is Rat Tat Tat, which is about a postman. Now who is a postman? A postman is a person who brings out letters. Like nowadays we have these courier boys who bring the parcels to the house. Same way the postman used to bring letters, and he delivers these letters house to house. And as you can see in the picture, he is wearing a uniform, a khaki uniform with a cap, and he has a bag with with the letters in the bag. So now this poem is about the postman knocking at the door. So I'll start. Rat tat tat, who can it be? Rat tat tat, let's go and see. Here is a postman knocking at the door. Have you any letters? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the postman knocked at the door and this little girl opened the door. She saw the postman, so she asked him, have you any letters for me? So he said, yes, I have 4 letters. Understood? Once again I'll say the poem. Rat tat tat. Rat tat tat, who can it be? Rat tat tat, let's go and see. Here is the postman knocking at the door. Have you any letters? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is the poem. Now children, what you have to do is, for homework, you have to learn this poem very nicely. Okay, so you must be able to recite it without looking. Learn it by heart. Okay, so this is your homework which you have to do. You have many days just now to learn, so you learn it very nicely. Okay, and I hope you liked it. I'll be seeing you again in the next video. So till then, take care and be indoors. Don't play outside. Listen to your parents. Don't be naughty, okay? And study hard. Okay, till then, bye and take care.
Welcome to the online class of Value Education. Children, today we are going to study about the God's creation. God's creation means everything that God has made. God has made us, the human being, the sun, the moon, the stars, bird, fish, flowers, tree, everything.
Here are some of God's creations. Sun. The sun rises in the morning and gives us heat and light. It lights up the world. Moon. Moon shines in the sky at night. Stars. Stars twinkle in the sky at night. Children, trees. Trees are very useful to us. They give us oxygen to breathe and fruits to eat. Birds. Birds are God's creation, like parrot, peacock. Flowers add beauty to the nature, like rose and sunflower. Animals. Animals are also God's creation, like dog, hen, rabbit, horse. Some animals live in jungle, and we keep some animals at our home as our pets.
Hope you all must have understood the topic. Now learn about all the God's creations very nicely. We will meet again in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe.